So guys, here you see it, one more video has been came on the LeetCode Camp channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 3000 by the name of maximum area of longest diagonal rectangle. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question, and this is an easy one question which we are solving. And in today's question, there are the two topics are included. Okay, first topic is by the name of array, and second is weekly contest 379. And this in this question total 3,86,000 people have submit this question, and total 1,76,000 has been accepted, and total acceptance rate is 45.8%. So let's start to solve today's question in Python 3. Like you all the people know, all the questions we are solving in Python 3. And if you are new here, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing this type of videos. And please don't forget to all the notification bell also. And one more thing I want to tell you that we are very near to 5,000 subscribers. Only 500 subscribers left. So please complete it my 5,000 subscribers as well as okay. So and see the my previous videos also, in which I solve many questions. Okay, so you are thinking I'm solving 652 question these type of, but I directly come onto the 3000. Okay, why? Because let me tell you. So now I solve in the first week I solved 3000 till 4000 questions, means 3000 till 3006 question I will be solved till Sunday. And then from the next week we solve 2000, we are solve start to solve question from 2000 to 2006. Okay, and then from the next to next week, means after the 2 weeks, then we will be solve like these type of question, like 654, 655, like this type of our schedule has been coming, these type of question then we will be solved. Okay, like this type of routine will be taken down. Okay, all the weeks. Okay, then the first week I do this, second week I do this, third week I do this. Okay, but anyways, let's move to computer screen. Let's try to solve this question in Python 3. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, here you see it, one more day me came on the LeetCode Camp channel. So like I told you in my introduction, we are solving our question number 3000 by the name of maximum area of longest diagonal rectangle. So let's start to solve today's question. You are given a 2D zero indexed integer array dimensions. For all indices like I comma 0 less than equals to I less than dimensions dot length comma dimension square bracket I square 0, it presents the length and dimensions, like square bracket I square bracket 1, it represents the width, means width of a rectangle I. Okay, so now we want to return, what we want to do, we want to return the area of a rectangle which is having the longest diagonal. If there are multiple rectangles with longest diagonal, so we want to return the area of a rectangle having the maximum area. Okay, for example number 1, here you get one integer array by the name of dimensions. So you can also be said here you get one 2D index integer array by the name of dimensions. Okay, so here he created, the output has been coming 48, because in the dimensions in the 2D index integer array dimensions, here he created, here he wrote in down 9, 3 and 8, 6, and the output has been coming 48. Why? For index equals to 0 means length equals to 0 and width equals to 3. Diagonal length equals to sqrt, 9 multiplied by 9 plus 3 multiplied by 3 equals to sqrt, means 90. And like this type of he wrote it down. Then for give him the bracket, and for index equals to 1, length is 8 and width is 6. Diagonal length equals to sqrt, means 8 multiplied by 8 plus 6 and then equals to, sorry, multiply by 6 equals to sqrt 100 equals to 10. So the rectangle at index 1 has the greater diagonal length, therefore so we return area equals to 8 multiply by 6 equals to 48. Example 2. Here he getted a one same 2D zero index integer array dimensions in which he wrote down 3, 4 and 4, 3. And the output I'm coming 12 because the length of a diagonal is the same for both, which is 5. So maximum area is 12. And they are the three constraints it has been given me. Okay. So let's come on to here. So let's start to solve it. And this is an easy one question. And this question, in today's question, there are two topics are included by the name of array and one weekly context 379. And total 3,86,000 people have submitted it, only 1,76,000 has been accepted. So let's start to write a code. So first of all, what we gonna do now? First of all, here we define a class of a solution. Because the rule of a lead code camp, whenever we want to start to solve any question, so first of all, we define a class of a solution. So we define here depth and area of max, then diagonal, in which we define self comma dimensions, and then when we do this, here we define list equals to list and then int, and then minus greater than int and then semicolon. Then define max area comma max diag equals to 0 comma 0. For L comma W in dimensions and then perfect, then CURR diag equals to 1, or L multiplied by L plus W multiplied by W. Now define here if statement CURR diag greater than max diag, and then or then CURR diag equal to max diag, and then L multiplied by W means L means length and W means width, and then max area, and then max diag equals to CURR diag, okay, underscore, please write down the underscore and then diag. Define max area equals to L multiplied by W, back enter, define return max area. Perfect. So we have read about all the codes. So now let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so now running code has been accepted. The both cases are accepted. If you see in both cases, the first case the expected output is 48, the output I'm coming same. In the case 2, the expected output is 12 and the output I'm coming same. Now let's see the summation code. So when I submit this code, so now the submission code is also be accepted and I beat 100% people. Okay, seriously, we beat it 100% people. You can see it. And now let's post the solution. I hope you enjoyed today's video in which we solved question number 3000 by the name of maximum area of longest diagonal rectangle. So if you enjoyed today's videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials, because we have solved total 318 questions. So our target is to solve 500 questions. Okay, so now but anyways, let's meet you in next video amazing video like this. So for today, goodbye.